Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question, October 2018, 42 variant, question number 11. What a question we have here. First topic is a column vector topic. We can see column given. So first of all, what is the plan here? 3a minus 2b. So 3 right as it is. This is a negative 2 times 2b. So this a will come from here, negative 3 and 2. And b will come from here, 5, 4. Now, this 3 multiply inside the both values. I get negative 2 and 6, negative 9 and 6. And 2 multiply 5 and 2 into 4. 2 5s are 10 and 2 4s are 8. And finally, I get my answer, negative 9, negative 10, I get negative 19. And 6 minus 8 will give us negative 2. And I believe this point is very, very clear. Okay, now, what is the next part? He said this is called modulus, M-O-D-U-L-U-S. How to find modulus? Square root of the values given here. So it means this, I can simply take a square of negative 3 plus square of 2. So these values square, but make sure put in bracket. Some students don't put in bracket. 9 plus 4, 13, and we got root 13 units. And I believe the idea is very, very clear. And afterwards, if you go for next part is, he mentioned here that MA plus NB equal to C. So let's see how we can do this one. MA, A here, NB here, and C here. I have to plug in A value, negative 3, 2. So I'm writing here, negative 3, 2 here. B value come from where? 5, 4. And C value come from here, 49. And now this equation will behave as a simultaneous equations. We're going to make it. So, all right. So let's see how we can get it. So simply this M multiply inside, negative 3M, and 2 multiplied with M also, so 2M. So this N multiply inside, I get a 5N and 4N. And here 49 as it is. Now I can do what? This X component equal to that X component. So negative 3M plus 5N equal to 14. Now same way Y components. So 2M plus 4N equals to 9. I have to solve them simultaneously. And let's see how we can do it. Okay, all right. So afterwards, we can see this one. Just a minute, please. Okay, all right. So what is the technique, student? You know it very well. You want to cancel either M or N. It is your wish, okay? You can cancel M or N. So it is our wish. So I can think I can go for M. So this is 3 and this is 2. So this upper equation multiply into 2, so I can get a 6. And this into 3, so I can get a 6. And then just add because opposite sign already. So let's start. 2 into 3, I got negative 6N. 2 into 5, I got 10N. 2 into 14, I get 28. 3 times 2, I got 6M. 3 times 2, 4, I get 12N. 3 9s are 27. So simply they will cut. And here I get 22N equals to 40. This is now 8 plus 15. 1 carry, and it becomes 55. So this 22 will divide under it, and N value is 55 over 22. And final answer, I got 11 5s are 11 2s are. So 5 by 2 is my final answer. And I believe this point is very, very clear. Okay, so students, afterwards, what I'm going for M part. So this value of M, either plug in any one equation. So I am putting in this one in 2 equation. So 2m plus 4 times 2n. So this value goes there. So into 5 by 2 equals to 9. And this is, you can say, cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. And I got 2m plus 10 equals to 9. And 2m equal to 9 minus 10. And 2m equals to minus 1. So m becomes negative half. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe up till here, idea is very clear. And we have done this part. Let's go for part number 2. Question number, next part. So yes. So let's go for B part now. So when you talk about B part, students, so you can see here in this C part, we have to first of all read carefully. He mentions here clearly that this is A. Okay, O to is A. All right, and O to C is C, and mentioned clearly C is a midpoint. Midpoint, it means what is a OC? Same is CB. So it means I can write easily this is C vector as well. Okay. And what is else given by him? AD is 3 ratio and DB is 5 ratio. So this I'm writing 5, I'm writing here 3. So this ratio thing also clear. All right. And let's go for next point. And just a minute, please. Just a minute. Okay. All right. So let's go for this part. Okay. So what is technique? First of all, he is asking that in terms of AC, give a simplest form. AB. What is AB plan? Starting from A, ending at B. Okay. I can say A to O and O to B. I repeat, A to O and O to B. So very simple idea. A to B, I'm writing A to O and plus O to B. But for your knowledge, what is, I'm going backwards. So this is called negative A. And this is C, and this C becomes 2C. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this I think you got it very well, nothing hard at all. Now next part is asking AD. So AD is this one. So when I'm looking for this vector, so what is the technique, best technique to do this kind of question? Actually, on this path, we have 3 vectors. Okay, call AD, number 2 BD, and number 3 AB. Okay, so 3 vectors. I write all 3. AD is 3 ratio, DB is 5 ratio, and total AB is 8 ratio. I will pick any 2 from here. Okay, but one is unknown. I will pick definitely. Okay, I'm writing V for vector, R for ratio. Which vector I'm looking for? AD. So AD I will take definitely. So AD vector is equals to 3. I pick from here ratio. Now problem is that AD is unknown and DB is also unknown. So I can't use 2 unknown. I must use unknown and 1 known. And AB we have luckily given by him. Okay, we found just now. So I can copy the lower here. So AB equal to 8 ratio. Cross multiply, students. 8 times to AD equals to 3 times to AB. This 8 will go down. So I can say that AD vector is 3 by 8 times to AB vector. I can write it now here. Is 3 by 8 times to AB vector. And AB vector is answer is this one. So this is my final answer. He said simplest form, so we have to expand it. Okay, expanding, you know, where you just multiply inside. This answer also correct, but if you write the other way, it means this multiply inside, make it easy. This is okay. So negative 3 by 8 times to A, and 4 2s are 2 4s are 8, so 4 plus 3 by 4 times to C. I believe this point is also clear. So we can do shortcut technique even, because what I'm looking for 3 total is 8. 3 I need total 8 time to total vector AB. That's it. This is a short way of doing. Okay, which I need, keep it up. Total vector 8 ratio, keep it down, and total vector is AB. So this is a shortcut technique as compared to do the whole working. But anyway, both are available. And this method is very effective for any kind of question, but this technique sometime works, sometime it flops. Anyway, so let's go for next. CE. Next job is CE. Starting from C, ending at E. But we have a special link is available here. O to A is given by him is 2 ratio. And OA to E is given by him is 3 ratio. So now this method again, and now I think so, what I said before, sometimes this method is effective, sometimes flops. Okay. Now I think we can do it easily now this time. Okay, but before I start, I drag slightly left side. Okay, now I'm doing same job here. V for vector, R for ratio. And what I'm looking for, because AE is missing. A is missing, so I say that AE equal to 3 ratio. But can I use now OE? No, because OE I don't know. Okay, and I can say that this is a, or I can say I can find directly even OE even. Okay, students. So let's start OE. I can say directly what is my target OE. OE is a 3 to plus 5 ratio, but this is the O to A is equals to 2 ratio, and now cross multiply. So 2 times 2 OE is equals to 5 times 2 OA. And this 2 will go down. So OE is equal to what, students? So I'm writing here. What is what is the OE? OE is coming here 5 by 2 times 2A, and OA is small a. So this I will use it. Now let's start. What is my C to O, O to E? Repeat, because my question is to find CE vector, C to O, O to E. So I can write directly C to O, C to O, O to E. And what is C to O, students? Coming backwards, downwards, so it means negative C. And this value, I got it, so it is just simply write 5 by 2 times 2A. Or you write order 5 by 2A minus C. All right, I hope so clear. Or second method, I use this same technique, but I will find AE, then I will add OA plus AE, both are correct, no problem at all. So let's go for next part. And next part is CD vector, student. What is CD vector? CD is here to here. 2 pairs I have. One way C to O, O to A, this AD. Second way C to B and BD. So luckily I have already AD available. AD available with me. AD available. Okay. So better to C to O, O to A to D. This is better to use. So C to O and O to A and then A to D. Other path also correct. Coming downwards is what, student? Minus C and plus A. So minus C plus A. And AD value I'm getting from there. Okay. Or AD value, I got it here even. So this value is coming down. So negative 3 by 8 A plus 3 by 4 C. Now, students, how many A's? 2 A's are there. Take LCM of A's. Okay, 8, 8. So this 8 match. So minus 3A is copy here. This 8 is 8 one's the 8A. So I got 8A. This is done. Let's talk about this and this. I got again 4 LCM for this match. So upper 3C copied here. But this 4 into C, I got minus 4C. So finally, I'm getting 5 by 8A. Okay. And minus 1 over 4C, because 4C minus 3C got a minus 1. I hope so. The point is very, very clear. Last part. We have to concentrate CE and we have to concentrate CD. These 2 vectors. Okay, students. So this vector and this vector. So bigger numbers are involved here. I will take this one. So I am taking CD. So CD vector is this one. But I will take LCM. Okay. And or I can take it 4 common even. You know, students, if I take 4 common from here, from denominator, so I get a 5 by 2 because 4 2s are 8. And this 4 goes out, only C left. So does this match? Totally correct. This is totally match equal to CE. So CE will come in the place of here. So I can say 1 over 4 times to CE. And you can see that, I'm sorry for that, 1 minute please, CD. He said that CD, this one. So 4 multiplies there. I can say 4 times to CD equal to CE. Okay, students. or I can write CE equals to 4 times to CD. And this is match now. Look at it. CE same, correct. CD match, correct. 4. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the K value is very, very clear. I hope so. The point is very, very clear.